As businesses reopen and customers begin making decisions on in-person visits, they will demand an increased focus on the health and cleanliness from the places they visit. It's up to you to provide them the experience they expect and give the assurance they deserve to keep them safe while in your facility. With Rest Assured, the unique all-in-one bundle needed to clean, disinfect, and protect your facility, you can do just that. Our three-step process includes the highest-level hospital-grade disinfectant, BioProtect's patented residual surface protector, and a state-of-the-art electrostatic sprayer that provides 360-degree coverage to kill and prevent the spread of harmful viruses, germs, and bacteria for up to 90 days. You'll use fewer chemicals and save on labor costs. But best of all, your customers will have peace of mind, knowing that the proper steps have been taken to ensure a safe, sanitary environment for them and their families. Rest assured, the science is proven, the technology patented, and the process simple. So choose Rest Assured, and your customers will do the same.